Welcome to our newly designed triplex. This is a formal living room and I have used marble satwario on the floor.
I have picked this blue-grey couch to complement the view outside.
This is a 4-seater dining space. And then we have already shortlisted wallpaper for this wall, which will go up soon.
I've made this informal study room.
We have created another entry and exit for the study room.
So I've used wooden ceiling to add an earthy feeling to this room.
I have used dual tone tiles on the walls and I've used metal mirror with oval shape to add on 2 elements.
Brilliant, thank you.
After the study room, we have a bedroom with sage green paneling and an attached bathroom.
I have used sage green and beige color combination for the curtains, which complements the paneling.
So I have used matte Satvario tiles along with the backlit circular mirror and hanging lights.
This is a little nook for study storage and this is a TV unit. We are planning to put a 65 inches TV in this bedroom.
Moving to the second bedroom, I have used Swiss coffee paneling on the walls.
Let me take you to another level.
This is the entry to the second level.
This is an informal living room and with a 13 feet ceiling height.
I'm planning to use full height main and sheer curtains.
In the same living room, I'm planning to put a bar unit in this area with provision of 2 bar stools and a display storage here.
So in this washroom, we've used Amazonite marble in the shower area along with super matte tiles on the walls and flooring, along with this backlit square mirror with hanging lights.
So what marbles have you used?
Amazonite marble in the shower area.
Thank you, brilliant.
Here we are planning to put a curve shape sofa here in this area with a projector screen provision on the top, and then we are planning to put a pool table here and a game zone basically in front of the bar counter. Let me take you to the master bedroom. I am planning to put a console table in the entry foyer. Ceiling height of this master bedroom is 13 feet high. I am planning to put a bed here in the center with a TV of 65 inches provision on this wall with an attached bathroom to it.
There are 4 entries to this triplex and this is the 4th one. So this is the first level terrace that we have attached to the informal living room.
On the terrace, we are planning to put a stepped jacuzzi here in this area. Also, we are planning to put granite seatings and informal seatings in the center of the space.
So we are on the second level of the terrace where we are going to have a green wall and private seating over here along with the vertical garden. So hope you like the designs.
I'm Asra from LC Architects. This is a triplex of 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms
With one formal and one informal living room.
and 2 level of terraces.
This triplex is sea facing from all sides.
Rent and sale.
If you want to have a look at this triplex,
Holla at Rafiq Merchant.